Okay, today we're going to iron on an HTV transfer. So here is our transfer. We have a t-shirt that I have bleached out. We're going to just heat up the area with our iron. We want to have our iron on the linen cotton setting only. We're going to heat up the area we're going to put the transfer on. Set it to the side. We're going to peel our transfer. Just peel that backing off. We're going to lay our transfer down in the spot that we want. Then we're going to take a piece of parchment paper and we're going to cover that on top of the design. And then we're going to heat press slowly, starting from the corner. And we're just going to apply pressure down and just kind of heat press each letter you go through. And you'll just want to continue doing that until you feel like that you've got it adhered to the shirt. You can check it as you go, but as you're pressing, make sure you apply pressure. Then once you think that you've got it all applied, we're going to peel this hot. Peel your top part of the transfer off. We're going to set that aside and we're going to come back with our parchment paper, lay it back down on top of the design, and iron again one more time, applying pressure. Once you've ironed one more time, applying pressure all over the design, you can remove your piece of parchment paper and you're done.